Hi, everyone. My name is Meg.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Rebecca.
I'm Quinn.
I'm Clem.
And for our final project, we made a conceptual app that we called Terrico. So the idea behind our project came from learning about a lot of environmental crises throughout this program, and one of them in particular that caught our interest was the amount of plastic in the world. So as you can see here, almost 1 million plastic bottles are sold each minute around the world, but the problem with this is that less than 1/5 of it is recycled, and 9% of all plastic ever made has actually likely been recycled. And this is a huge problem because plastic takes thousands of years at least to biodegrade. And as you can see on the left, it either ends up in landfills or on the right in oceans. So when it ends up in landfills, chemicals like PCBs or polychlorinated biphenyls leach from the landfill into groundwater, contaminating it when it rains. And these PCBs are carcinogenic, meaning they cause cancer. And that we end up drinking that water and using it, so we're ingesting this contaminated water. Alternatively, the plastic flows into the ocean, and since it doesn't biodegrade, like I said earlier, they break down into these tiny microscopic plastics, and then fish and other seafood eat them, and then when we consume the seafood, we end up eating the plastic as well.
So we decided that for our app, augmented reality would be a good option. So basically what augmented reality is it's computer-generated images and audio that are integrated into your physical surroundings. So it's used a lot of times in either glasses or mobile apps, and we figured that mobile apps were a lot better for us since they're much more accessible. You can just download it on your smartphone if we created it. And we hoped that by combining AR and environmental awareness, then it would make learning about the environment and protecting it very entertaining and engaging. So we also saw the success of Pokemon Go, which was a very popular AR game similar to ours, and we wanted to apply that success to environmental turmoil that we see. So here you can see a website that I created, and it shows many counters relating to what's going on in our environment. For example, you can see the tons of plastic waste dumped in the ocean globally this year. And so we just want our project to help stop these issues.
Okay, so a quick overview of the name of our app. The name is Terrico. The first part is terra, which in Latin means earth, and the second part, eco, ICO, is just an alternate spelling of ECO, which means habitat or environment, is that prefix. So together it's like Earth, our habitat, which is what our app is our conceptual app is attempting to protect. So yes, and then this is a quick video we made that shows some examples of what the app would look like if we produced it. And so everything we made in the video, we made ourselves. So Meg composed the music, recorded it, edited it, all of that. Hannah did the augmented reality, Rebecca did the digital animations, and Clem did like hand-drawn stop-motion animations. I edited it, so you'll see all that in this video.
as you saw in the video, if the app was created, it'd be in form of a game. And so with the actions you do, like collecting waste, you gain points. You can collect virtual waste and real life waste. And you can also earn points with other sustainable practices in your life. And AI would be implemented in order for the actions to be recognized. The points will be used to grow a garden in order to lure more users, and then we also included a species counter to raise more awareness about endangered species, and we have the option to buy a microscope attachment for your phone to push the knowledge of the users about their surroundings.
So here we have two images that show what the game would look like. On the left, you have a picture of augmented reality trash, and on the right, you have an example of an AR garden that I created.
Okay, so for the overall impact that we would want to see in our app, we would want it to be kind of a platform for people, more specifically like our generation, like younger people, to be able to go outside and be more conscious of their actions and how their actions affect the environment, and also for them to use the app as a tool for better visualizing the environmental crisis that we're in right now and how they can help, and also to kind of change the mindset that helping out with the environment is like a chore or like a task, and see it as more of a lifestyle, and that's what we're trying to promote with this app.
Okay, so we actually have a quick demo for you.
Yeah, so we're going to show you what the AR garden would look like in the app. So,
okay, so this is a garden that I created. So you can scale it, you can rotate it.
yeah, so it's augmented reality.
It's augmented reality, so you can also move it around, put it over here.
Hey.
So basically you can just explore it wherever you want, and it will show up. Yep. Yeah, so it'll show up wherever you want. So you can just have a little garden wherever you want in augmented reality, and you can just enjoy nature. So thank you.